Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I will show you how to bulk upload the products in WooCommerce in 2025. So this method is perfect for those if you are looking to add a large number of products at once. So first of all, you will have to simply log in into your WooCommerce admin panel. Your admin panel will look something like this. So once you are on the dashboard, you need to hover over to the products section and click on all products. Now over here you will see the list of all of the products that are here in your store. So in order to import in bulk, you will have to simply click on this import option. So once you click on the import option, you will be prompted to upload a CSV file. If you don't have a CSV file, you can click on the download sample CSV to get a template. So once you have your CSV ready with the product details like the name, pricing, description, etc., you need to simply click on choose file and upload that CSV over here. On the next page, you just have to simply tap on the map option to continue mapping the columns of your CSV to the WooCommerce field, and you can click on run the importer and your products will be uploaded in bulk in your WooCommerce store. So you can simply just follow the three simple steps on the next page, and this way you will be able to upload products in bulk into WooCommerce. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more beginner friendly WooCommerce tutorials. Thanks for watching.